started this lesson a few days back, and the topic is writing about people. First thing is appearance. What? Appearance. And appearance has how many areas? Number one. Number two. Number three. And number four. And now it's a hair vocabulary. So hair can be long, or short, or straight, or wavy, or black, or brown, or untidy, tidy, no, like that. G. So long hair, short hair, G. Untidy hair. D. Next is the face shape. A face can be round. It can be pear shaped. Now you can see. So X round, X on X heart shaped or pear shaped. Now next part of the body is now this is a forehead. What? Forehead. A forehead can be flat. It can be high. It can be narrow or wrinkled. Clear? Flat or high. Narrow. What? Narrow and wrinkled. You can see it's a wrinkle, no? You can see wrinkles, no, over here, no? So now you see, it's a flat, it's high, it's narrow, and it's wrinkled. You see? See, wrinkled, it's narrow, and this one is high, and it's flat. Just like, you can see. Next is, so eyes can be, next, okay, blue, what? Blue, dog, drum, okay? Bidi, no, this like, round. This like, you can say, I'll show you. You ready? So, it's very easy now. So you can see, B-E-A-D-Y. So B, you can see this one now. You can see this one now. It's a BDI now. Or simple, you can say beat. Again, beat. You can see this one. You can see this one. You can see these are beats. You understand now?
Yes.
Just like beat, no? BD. Okay, so next is eyes can be long, small, round, big, sparkling, blue, dark brown, and okay. Next is
bushy
eyebrows. What? Eyebrows. No. So you can see eyebrow. No. Eyebrow can be bushy, tall, thin, or it can be thick as well. Thin and thick as well, or it can be crescent shape. Bushy. Jodi नहीं होती जड़ी B. Next you can say ears. What? Ears. No, Deeva started laughing now. That is special sort of ears now. See, ears can be large, can be small, or it can be protruding. Protruding means now extended outward. Extended outward. So Mudeeb's ears are protruding. Now you can see outward, not inward, outward like that. You understood?
Yes.
Protruding, you understood?
Yes.
Outward abnormal, you know, they're not normal. No, his ears are not normal. No, they are abnormal. Next is now. What's it? Nose. So nose can be. No, start from here. Okay. Okay. So you can see, please. It's hook. No, you can see this is. You can see this is hook, just like hook. And next is crook. You can see this is no. This is this one. Again, this is just like that. No. Clear? Like that. No. Clear? Okay. So nose can be large. Nose can be small. Nose can be flat. Just like that. Nose can be hooked or crooked. So next is mouth. So mouth can be wide. What? Wide. What's it? Wide. Or it can be large. Or it can be small. Wide. Again. Wide. And small. And next is lips. So lips can be thick or thin. So these are thick or thin? Thick lips, no? So Muteeb has thick lips or thin? Thin. Osama? Thin. And Suhail? Thin. Okay, let's see. Next is teeth. So teeth can be large or small. Next. Again, protruding, no, they're outside, no, your lips, no, like that. D. Even, no. That the length of all the teeth, no, is equal, even. Clear? Even and sometimes uneven. Even and uneven. Next is irregular, no, like that. This is outside, and there is no like that. There is no proper alignment, no. G next. Yellow. Stemmed. Okay, or discolored. G. Pointed. No, that. Pointed. Next. Green. Next is face. Complexion. Complexion means color. So face can be dark or pale. Okay, tanned. That means tanned or brown, or it can be. So complexion can be dark. Pale is better. No, he is not coming pale. He is this, you can see now. To some extent, pale zard. Clear? Yellowish now. G. So it can be pale. It can be
Brown.
tanning or rosy. Correct. Dog. Next is build. Body, no? Build. So build can be a person can be tall or short or thin or fat. So Saqif is thin or fat? Thin. And next is slim. So no, you can say Osama is slim, no? Huzaifa is slim. And gentleman, Tala is slim. He has slim body, no? The next is stout, bulky. Very fat, stout. So body can be tall, build can be tall, it can be small, short, it can be thin, it can be slim, it can be stout, bulky. Mr. Tanzir Hassan, his body is stout, not somewhere. Very much. So next is clothes. So clothes can be fashionable. Got to be cheaply showy. Show. Clear? Next is outlandish. Remote from civilization, which are not generally born, no? For example, if somebody is wearing skirt over here, some lady you see, no? It will look very bad, no? Because no lady wears skirts over here, no? It's outlandish. Clear? Somebody just wear, only though you can say now undergarments, and he's running in the market, it will look very bad. That's not our civilization. Clear? Our civilization is we keep our body covered, We the Muslims, especially we the people who are living in this part of it, the world, we keep our body covered. If somebody is wearing clothes, know that his or our body is not covered, so we will call that best outlandish, remote from civilization. The next it can be shabby, worn or ancient. No, worn, so shabby. So clothes can be outlandish, gaudy, showy, shabby.
Out from civilization.
Oh, that is now outlandish. Shocking. Thank you very much. Now, Silver Moran is exact at
5:45.
5:45 now.
After 24.
Okay.